Welcome to today's tutorial on StockSavi inventory software. Remember the last time we talked about how to create your bank accounts on the StockSavi and also the currency. Today we'll be looking at something else. Remember, just to refresh your mind, StockSavi is an inventory management software that keeps you abreast of your stock, your store and the warehouse. It helps you with the daily activities or the daily running of your business. Gives you prompt answers and prompt positions of where your businesses are at every point in time. As a matter of fact, in summary, it's just a software that helps you with the totality of your business inventory. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Also click on the notification button so that you'll be notified when next will come online. Alright, so I'm putting you through today on other things on our StockSavi inventory management system, and today we'll be looking at our warehouse, how to create your warehouse. Now remember, every business has its own warehouse. It's like your second store, so to speak. Where is your warehouse? In definition is where you store your products before they are moved to the store where they are sold from. All right, so now for today we'll be looking at how to create your warehouse. Now on this, say you can name your warehouse warehouse 1. All right, in case you have numerous warehouses, just name this one warehouse 1. It should have its own email address so that when products are moved from that warehouse, you can always send them the shipping document that was used in moving the products from the warehouse to the store, so that when audit is being done, it can easily be tracked. Okay, so that when you're moving the physical goods from the warehouse, you can also send the email to the store personnel that is receiving, so that he or she can confirm with what was sent from the warehouse. So the email for the warehouse, it should always be something you can also remember, something I'm very conversant with. So I'll be using this as the email for the warehouse. All right. Okay, then a functional phone number, obviously something that is working, phone number that is working. All right, the country where the warehouse is located, the city where the warehouse is located, it can be in Festac, and the zip code obviously is very important. Okay, and after filling out the information accurately, you submit the information. Okay, when you have a warehouse already in existence with that name, it can always come up. So let's change it to something else like this. See, warehouse created successfully. You can see it here, warehouse A. All right, so anytime you want to move goods from the warehouse to the store, after the goods are moved physically, there's supposed to be a name, an email address. From here you can always send email to the store personnel receiving the warehouse. Remember, I said last time, do not forget to like, comment and share, so that, and also click on the notification button so that when next we come on, you'll be notified. Do have a nice day, and please, we'll be looking forward to having you on our StockSavi inventory software system. Bye for now. See you in the next tutorial.